friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel WP Hope. This is me Monica and today I'm here with the content how to install WordPress in a localhost using Xampp. Let's move toward it. First, let us know what actually localhost means. It is a host name where we can assume our computer as a virtual server itself. For making blogs using localhost, it requires two software, that is Xampp and WordPress. Now let's go for installing them. First, let me download Xampp. For this, let us type Xampp over here. So here we get, and here you can see the download Xampp Apache friend. Let us go inside this website and download from here. And here are several downloading options. Let me choose, so let me download it, and the download process has started. So it is downloading. Let us wait for it. I had resumed the video. Now it is downloaded. You can see this. So here it is downloaded. Now let us download WordPress. For this, let us type the WordPress download and press enter button. And here you can see download wordpress.org. So click on it. From this website you can download WordPress easily and it is free too. So soft down, and now here you can see download WordPress 5.8.1. So click on it, and now you can see it is going on downloading, and now it will download soon. So you can see here the WordPress is downloaded. So we have downloaded both the files. Now the softwares are downloaded. Now let's see it into the downloads. Here in downloads you can see the both downloaded software. Let us click on Xampp for starting installation. Now you can see the setup has opened, so let us click on it for starting the installation process. So by default you can see here several options are ticked, so leave as it is and click on next. So here browse the folder wherever you want to browse. So here I have selected a folder, so it is leave as it is. So here browse the folder where you want to browse. Here already there is Xampp C drive. It will be browsed on my C drive. So let me click on next and choose the language which you want to choose. Here two options, English and Dutch are there. So let me click on English and click on next. And finally here it is given some learn more about Binami for Xampp. We don't want to learn, so let me deselect it and click on next. Now the setup is ready to install, so let's click on next, and now it is unpacking files and it will be installed soon. It will take few minutes, so wait for a while. Then I had resumed the video. Now the Xampp has installed completely. Let's click on finish. Now you can see the Xampp control panel has opened. Here you have to start Apache and MySQL because we are using these two servers for using that in the localhost. So let us start it and start this one. So now let's click on admin because we want to set up our database. Wait a while. Now this interface opens. Now click on PHP MyAdmin. From here you can set up your database to your localhost. Now click on new because we want to set up a new database. We don't have any initial database. So write the name of the database which you want to keep. Let me keep here as a WP Hope. Here you have to choose the collection. So you have to select the collection. Don't use any other option. So just click on create. Now your database WP Hope has been created. Now let's move to other file where we have created our WordPress. You can see this is the WordPress file which we have downloaded. Let me click on it and now extract it. Now I want to browse this over here. So let me extract this over the C drive. So now it is extracting. Let us wait for a while. Here the WordPress file has been started. So let me cut it and paste it into the Xampp location. So let me cut it and let's go to this PC, and here you can see we have a Xampp folder. Let me paste over here. in htdocs. Htdocs is very important for creating any database or using the WordPress in a localhost. So let me paste here. Here it is pasting. So now let us name it as a WP Hub because our database name is WP Hub. So let us name it as a WP Hub. Done. Now open any of the browser. I have Chrome, so let me type there and type here localhost / then type your database name. I have database name WP Hub. Here the WordPress setup configuration opens, and now from here you have to choose the language. So let me select United States. It is by default selected, and now I want to continue it. You can choose the language of your choice, but I prefer English language. So now here this opens, and let us click on Let's Go. Now here you have to submit some of the description of your database. So here database name, our database name is WP Hub. And here username, you have to write here username root. It is by default here root. You have to choose root, and in password just leave it blank, and database host it is a localhost, and table prefix it is WP. So leave as it is. And now submit it. Now let's just run our installation process. Now the WordPress is successfully installed, so let us give some of the information as required. Here site title name. Let me write WP Hub as a site title name. And in username, let me just choose a simple username, so admin. And similarly in password, let me also keep it as admin. You can choose or you can write the password as you prefer, but if you use the strong password then this will be good, but now it's just formality, I'm using this password. So let me confirm using the password, and you have to type your email here. Let me type my email, and it is, and here just click on Install Wordpress. Now your WordPress is successfully installed, and here you are asked to type the username and password. So let us type. Our username was admin and our password was also admin. So if you want WordPress to remember you, then you can tick on remember me and click on login. Then you will get login into your dashboard. So wait for a while. We are logging, and this opens the real WordPress interface where you can create the websites. You can see several updates and several options for creating your websites. And one thing else, you can use the WordPress without internet connection too, using a local host. Let us suppose we want to open our dashboard again after opening the PC next time. Let us try by disconnecting the internet connection now. So my internet connection is disconnected. Let me open a Chrome browser. Now here let me try localhost/wp-hub/wp-admin. If you will type this, then you will get back to your dashboard. Wait a while and you are back to your dashboard. You can create the post from here or add any medias, or you can use or anything from the WordPress, create the websites from here even without any internet connection too. I think now you can easily install and use WordPress using localhost. Hope you liked my video. Subscribe this channel too and wait for more new videos. Thank you.